Alright guys, so a while ago I just come up the ladder here and come up on the rooftop, you see it? You don't up on the rooftop right now. I still want to put it on the higher rooftop because this is kind of low. So I want to put it to the next roof. Then normally it's not tree enough in the way, you see it?
Ikaw na rin sa'yo yung carpet, copy of next media. Keep it up.
Yeah bro, yeah guys, big up on yourself now man, you see it? So the days have finally arrived. Today is the day that I'm gonna pick up my Starlink internet. So I'm here in Buff Bay, waiting on my package. Yeah. Alright, see the gentleman call me now. I'm gonna direct him. Yes sir. Alright, let me tell you where you go there. You come down, alright, you come down. Alright, there's a next gas station to your left. And then you come down and you go see, up on your side, you go see Seawave Complex. The Seawave, you come down to Seawave Complex. Alright, so I'm black here park up on the other side. You can see a black Toyota Corolla. Alright, if you pass the next gas station, a little bit from there, so there's a next, right at the corner there, so you can pass one hardware too. Yeah, may I look out for you. Yeah. Yeah guys, so that was the agent from DHL. So I'm really excited to get my Starlink internet. I've been waiting so long. I'm waiting like a month now. So this is where I'm waiting. Right in the middle of Buff Bay. Yeah. I'm so excited guys. You guys stay tuned to the video. Cause I'm gonna have setting up video. I'm gonna have a full video of when I set it up and every little thing. So I wanna just stay tuned. Alright, so the bus finally reached them. Alright, finally. Yeah guys, so the package finally arrived, you see it? So the DHL general just give me, you see it? So that, you see it people? So right now I'm gonna take it home. And when I reach home I do the unboxing and every little thing. So I'm gonna just go and stay tuned to the video, see you see it? Alright? Oh, I see what I'm going. Look like every end need to pull like this. The man trying to show me. So I'm gonna pull the end them. Pull the end here too. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. And then now we're gonna open up the box. Ta-da! So this is what the box look like when I pull it. Okay. So big. Oh yeah baby, I've been waiting for you for so long. You know how long me I wait for you? Oh my god. Look how she pretty man. What a beauty. So guys, this is the Starlink. If you guys don't know, yeah, this is Starlink from SpaceX. The richest man in the world, Elon Musk. Yeah, he's the person that's responsible for this internet and the brand name Starlink. So I've been living in an area where our main provider is Digital and Flow. digital and flow internet is not up here. But I've been using this internet in a rural net. But I'm not getting speed past 10 megabytes per second. And I heard that the Starlink is much better. So I ordered it. So I'm gonna do a speed test when I'm done. So you guys can stick around to that. But first, let me show you what's in the package. So see it there, guys. You get the Starlink dish. So the dish. You can see what's coming in the package. Alright. So the manual, user manual. I'm not fool around manual, so it's not no use to me. I'm not gonna using this manual. Alright. So the next thing I want to see in the package. This is the router. Yeah, this is the router. Alright, so this is the router. I'm not sure. Oh, this is the power supply. So this is the power. Alright guys, so first thing I need to do, I get the dish pan the house top. You see it? The first thing I need to get the dish pan the house top. But right now I'm gonna need a leather to go on the house top. So I'm gonna get the leather now and put the dish pan the house top. You see it? Right up on the house top, man. Yeah. Alright guys, so a while ago I just come up the ladder here and come on the rooftop, you see it? You don't be up on the rooftop right now. I still want to put it on the higher rooftop because this is kind of low. So I want to put it to the next roof. Then normally it's not tree enough in the way, you see it? Alright guys, so I'm gonna get it on the rooftop now. You see it as you see what I go on. I have to plug the entire cable. I have to run through the window there right down here. So, but first I have to check to see where best to put the Starlink first. You see it? I may have to use my phone for check it. Alright guys, so this is how it stays so far. This is how mechanic. See mechanic, this is the router. Alright. There's a power cord to the power supply. So this is the power supply right here. Connect it to it. And I need to plug it in right now, but I'm not gonna plug it in yet. I'm gonna go up to the roof, the rooftop, to see where I'm gonna place the dish. Alright, so this is the next step. I don't know if you can see what I'm going. Go up on the Starlink app. And the app will direct me where it's the best place to post it. Point my camera up. Oh yeah, say. I'm going to point my camera up to the sky. Scan the entire area. Okay. And that's why it will make me know which part is the best place to put it. Okay. Yeah, it will show me where the obstacle in there. Then say once no tree now block your signal. My best place that we put it. So that area look really nice, like a right spot. Alright guys, so after you done scan the sky and thing, it will go give a result, like the estimate obstruction. So it will give me the best place where I have put the Starlink dish. So that me do right now, you see it? Yeah, so that's the next step. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it'll load. It at 95%. Alright. So basically it'll tell me what go on. It says some interruption. We're browsing, some interruption. How do I say? Frequency interruption, online gaming. How do I say? Alright guys, I'm just plugging in the Starlink internet cable port. Internet cable will come with it in it. So right now I need to plug this end into the router and plug in the Starlink. So that's the next step right now. So guys, this is the next step. Connect to the Wi-Fi and thing. So right now I wait for some software for update. I determine alignment adjustment may be necessary for the best performance. So I wait for that something here to load up, and then now I'm gonna do a speed test and show you the speed that I get now. Alright guys, so what go on a while ago, I'm telling you what go on a while ago. So I did actually use the app to know where exactly to place the Starlink, you see it? Yeah, because I'm lining up with the app. So each time I move it, it will tell me say yeah, at this time for put it. You get what I say? Yeah man, so that's one good little feature on the Starlink app. Yeah man, up. Alright guys, so in the meantime, just going to share a story with you guys. The internet is still going to set up, but that's how I can know what I'm going. The reason I purchased this Starlink because the place where I live, I way up in the bush. As you may say, way up in the hills, and I like me up on the main road where I can get flow or digital connection. No, I can't get them type of wire connection there. So I have to rely upon I have to rely on Wi-Fi. There is a Wi-Fi provider in my area, but there is an issue. The Wi-Fi that is in my area, it's not that fast, but it's just what we have to work with. It wasn't any other choice. So my friend told me about this Starlink, and he have it. He live in my community. He have it. And when the hurricane did happen, I was out of Wi-Fi for months, even when we get back current. So I go down there, I'm using Wi-Fi, and I tell say Wi-Fi fast. And then I go up on YouTube, and I upload my video on YouTube. It don't take no time for upload. So I just hope for the best. The setup is very expensive though, it's $60,000. Well, you don't have to pay for shipping and handling. You go on the internet and search for starlink.com and you order it from there. So look out guys for more videos, and I'm so excited that I can upload the video them faster now. I don't have to wait so long again. And big up everybody who support my channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Any question you can always leave it in the comment section. Yeah man, thank you guys. Alright guys, so we're doing speed test now and show you guys what going on. Alright, at first I'm gonna show you the speed that I normally get on the other internet that I have. So I'm gonna connect to my old internet and show you what going on. That's my old internet. Alright, so I run a speed test on my old internet first. Show you what going on. Alright, so that's my old internet. As you can see what I go on, 10 and 11 megabytes I get so far. So I go on, that's the whole internet. See it? 9 up, 9 download, and as you can see about 7 down. And this is critically slow. Alright, so that's the final result. Alright, see how fast it is.
Look at me 10, okay? Ma io spelato perché all'inizio se che anche mi pare amici.
I-download sa yan yung carbon copy of the text